Alright, so here is the soundboard with the speech board attached. And we'll go ahead and press the test button here as well. Alright, so we've got a Firepower System 6A set here, so MPU and driver board. So MPU, we went ahead and burnt a new Flipper ROM 1, and then also the combo ROM. We did the modifications there on the back side, as well as the diodes here where the jumpers are typically. New filter capacitor, all brand new headers throughout, as well as with the driver board here as well. So we were having a switch issue. I thought it was the AMI 6820. It was not. It actually ended up being both of the 4049s. And then we went ahead and did the switch matrix mod here as well. Had a little bit of alkaline that we abated here, also a little bit on the back side. New excuse me, filter capacitor here as well as a 7408. We had a bad 2N 4401 as well, so we'll go ahead and get this thing powered up. Actually, go ahead and turn my power on here first, and my heater kicks on as well. So goes from high score to date to last game played. Added a blinking LED here to the driver board. Coin lockout is the solenoid that you see is lit, and then we have a flasher that blinks here. So we'll go ahead and throw her into test mode. Cycle through the displays here. A little bit of ghosting going on with my phone. If we can get everything connected here, get all the lamps dancing, and this has to be solenoids. So we were having an issue with the solenoid 14 there, which is now working. So coin lockout extinguishes. Then all of the special solenoids there. So the switches, you can do this one-handed and go through diagonally. And the last switch in Firepower is switch 58 there. So let's see. Can't remember. I think it's setting 18. Yes, it is. Okay. So setting 18. If we could do this without going over, it'd be great. Again, trying to do this with one hand. So basically setting this to 0 is going to put this into free play. And so one way you can tell that it's not free play, or that it isn't free play, is the coin lockout will no longer come on the System 6 boards there. So everything is good to go. Thank you so much for sending it.